Ladies and gentlemen, we are underway at Freelance Wrestling's Hobo with a Shotgun Dropkick here at the Abbey Pub in Chicago, Illinois, and Rob Matter getting down to business.
It's a big man right there, a big man.
Not sure I agree with you there. Came out my broadcast partner. I am Mark Maxwell. Pleased to be on the call here at Freelance. And Rob Matter and Trik Davis going to start this off.
Quick side. That man was so big. At 12, he had to play with 14-year-olds for youth football because he was too big.
I don't believe that statement. He was approached earlier today by Kirby, our ring announcer, who asked him how much he weighed, and he said 315, which I believe is a bit off the mark. He's tying up with Trik Davis here, a real veteran, been in this business for over a decade at this point. Been all over the place, Ring of Honor, IWA Mid-South, Chikara. He's been everywhere. By far the most seasoned man in this match. And you know, he doesn't want to let one of these young up-and-comers pull off a win on him. Grabs a waistlock, trips him up, sweeps him over, got a waistlock, bridges into a cover. 1, 2, only a 1 count. Matter getting the shoulder up.
You're not going to get Matters that quick. He's too big.
Are we watching the same event?
Obviously, we're watching the same event. We're right next to each other.
And we've got a test of strength, ladies and gentlemen. Trik Davis is really in outstanding shape. When I first became a fan of independent wrestling, he was a skinny guy, to be quite frank.
And still really
put on
skinny
a lot of mass. He's much bigger than Rob Matter. Could be looking for a power bomb here. Got the head cradled. Trik Davis got him up. What could be looking for here? Back body drop. Keeps a hold of the arm. Nice under technique. Black Mahi straw cradle. 2 count only. Matter shot off the ropes. Huge leaping knee. That caught him on the jaw. 1, 2. Oh my goodness. I thought that was it. Rolls out to the floor. Lucha Libre rules in effect. No tags necessary. And Markus Crane into this contest. He is a wild man. Don't know that in all of his years in the business, if Trik Davis has ever seen a man like Markus Crane.
Well, he's doing well so far. Just look how he cranks the shoulder there. That wrist lock.
I think a lot of torque on the wrist and shoulder, as you pointed out. Crane rolling through. Crowd starting to get behind him. Trik Davis does not want to be outclassed in a ground war with a Markus Crane. Go slipped him up. Davis lands on his feet, very agile, grabs hold of an arm drag. Catches him with another and keeps a hold of the arm. That ringsmanship of Trik Davis truly on another level.
You're looking at the technical acumen of a man that's been in the business for over a decade there.
Certainly the case. Now we're wrenching almost with a key lock and then putting his weight down on the arm while still wrenching it back with his thigh. The ins and outs of what Trik Davis does in that wrestling ring, all those little tricks that he's accumulated in his years in the business, he puts them to spectacular use. Crane literally wrestling circles around him there. Sinks in a cravat.
And that's deep. That is a very deep cravat right there.
Cutting off the nerves, Davis able to use his arm to break his way free. Spins him around in a half Nelson. Rolls him off instead of shooting him to the ropes. Gets swept to the floor, but he lands on his feet. And here comes Alex Ohlson. What is he going for? Got caught looking for some sort of sunset flip. Can't get it. Crane rolls through. Gets his legs kicked out from underneath him. Basement drop kick. 1. Only gets a 1 count. Ohlson ducks, grabs a waistlock. Crane reverses. Elbows his way free. Oh, but he gets held on to. Ducks a big line. And he hits. He's still going. He hasn't even hit it yet. Tilt-a-whirl and scissors.
There had to be about 8 rotations there.
But Chase Matthews seizing the opportunity and laying waste to Ohlson. Brutal forearms in the corner. Charges with a big uppercut. Can feel that one from here. Whips him overhead with the belly to belly.
The way he pops his hips there, that just shows you what type of athlete he is. It really does.
Valentino with the tilt-a-whirl head scissors now. He ducks a clothesline, goes off. Frankensteiner. Huge lariat turns him inside out. trying to get the cover. He gets it 1, 2. Those couple seconds of separation did wonders for Matthews there.
But you just have to love the enthusiasm that Valentino's coming to this match with.
I might be worried that he's blowing his energy though. It really exerting a lot in a short matter of time. Now being cut off by Matthews.
That's a man with great cardio.
Certainly sends him up and over. Bandera out to the apron. Forearm shot drops him down below. Trik Davis slips out and a front flip set down to the floor off the apron. Trik Davis, he's got all the technical acumen, but he'll put his body on the line as well.
I think
the crowd feeling it.
I think the crowd's letting you know how they think about this.
Valentino up and over.
Violence. That was violence.
These men want to get that winner's paycheck tonight. They're putting it all on the line. They know how much a victory could mean for them. Ohlson firing up the crowd. Hits the far side ropes. Rob Matter trips him and cuts him off.
Just too big, too strong, too much matter.
Hooking him again. Could be looking for that power bomb. Looking for a pile driver. He can't get him up. He hurt his back trying to lift Alex Ohlson. And I'm supposed to believe he's a 315-pound bohemian.
He was doing 600-pound deadlifts earlier today. He's just a little fatigued. Just give him some time.
Must be why they call him the death machine. Brain just slapping him across the mouth. Got him up. Could be looking for a choke slam. Oh my God, oh my God. Choke slams Alex Ohlson to the floor.
Ohlson's dead. He's dead. He's dead.
Alex Ohlson is dead.
This match hasn't even been 5 minutes long, and they have to be done.
These men have thrown out so much already. That's how much they want to win. The desire, to just see it coming off of these men's bodies as they put it all on the line. Rob Matter looking for again. Crane spins out, still yet to hit it. Crane winds him up into a knee right to the jaw. Followed by 1, 2, and 3. No, just gets the shoulder up.
Look at how broad Matters is.
Every single person in this building thought Markus Crane had the match won. But he's got to refocus. He's got Trik Davis in there with him now. Davis tries to boot up. Next line, flatliner into the second turnbuckle. Davis rolls it through. German suplex with the bridge. 1, 2. Ohlson breaks it up. How is he walking?
The way that Davis is popping his hips and the way that
no. Had the guillotine cinched in. O'Connor roll attempt, nobody home. Ohlson comes off. Tilt-a-whirl DDT! Trik Davis is loopy. Drives him into the nigger. Face first. The Lodi. He hit the Lodi. Only 2. Using his shins to drive him headfirst into the mat. Nasty Yakuza kick by Rob Matter.
There we go, Rob. Let the crowd know. Let the crowd know.
Let the crowd know. They see what's happening. He doesn't have to spend time showboating. Crane hooks him. Oh, very precarious position. Launches him into Ohlson, who gets Rob Matter right into his gut. Oh, he's got him up in a burning hammer position, and he's just spinning him around. Oh my goodness, the UFO, unidentified flying opponent.
Also known as Alex Ohlson.
Could be looking to put both of them away, but here comes Valentino, cross body onto all 3 men. Excellent ring awareness by Valentino to find that opening. Ducks a clothesline, throws him back, loses him there, ends up catching with this neck breaker anyway. Excellent wherewithal. Matthews has got him. Nasty brainbuster. He's got the cover on Matter. 2 and 3. Chase Matthews picks up the win.